Bitcoin, the current market and future due to will it reach 100K? Could digital wallets someday hold a Bitcoin worth 100K? A question that stirs the curiosity of many, as we stand on the precipice of a digital revolution. The realm of cryptocurrency is thrilling, yet unpredictable, a wild ride with inherent risks and potential rewards. The volatile nature of Bitcoin is part of its allure. A digital frontier that promises both prosperity and uncertainty. So, will Bitcoin ever hit the mark? Join us as we delve into the roller coaster journey of Bitcoin and speculate its future. The genesis of Bitcoin in 2009 was the dawn of a new era in finance. This groundbreaking digital currency was the brainchild of an enigmatic figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. To this day, the true identity of Nakamoto remains a mystery. What's not a mystery, however, is the seismic shift that Nakamoto's creation has brought about in the world of finance. Bitcoin began as a concept detailed in a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Nakamoto's vision was to create a decentralized currency, free from the control of any government or financial institution. This was a revolutionary idea, and it was met with both skepticism and intrigue. In the early days, Bitcoin was worth less than a cent. The first recorded transaction took place when a man named Laszlo Hanyecz bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 bitcoins. Back then, few could have predicted the astonishing trajectory this nascent digital asset would take. Early adopters were a mix of tech enthusiasts, libertarians, and risk-takers, drawn to the novelty, the potential, and the principles behind Bitcoin. They saw value in a currency that was transparent, secure, and free from the influence of traditional financial systems. Underpinning Bitcoin's design is the technology known as blockchain. A blockchain is a public ledger, and every transaction made with Bitcoin is recorded on this ledger. It's a system that's inherently secure and resistant to fraud. Each block of transactions is verified by a network of computers, or nodes, making it nearly impossible for any single entity to manipulate the data. Bitcoin's decentralization and security were groundbreaking. They offered a radical new approach to finance, one that challenged conventional systems and posed exciting new possibilities. Bitcoin was no longer just a digital currency, it was a symbol of a potential financial revolution. From a virtually unknown digital asset to a global phenomenon, Bitcoin's early years set the stage for its meteoric rise. The journey from those first 10,000 bitcoins used to buy 2 pizzas to today's market, where a single bitcoin can be worth thousands of dollars, is nothing short of remarkable. And it all started with the vision of an anonymous inventor, Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin's journey is marked by significant milestones that have shaped its value and perception. Let's take a trip down memory lane and revisit some of these defining moments. Our first stop is 2011, when Bitcoin experienced its first significant surge. From being virtually worthless, Bitcoin's value skyrocketed to a peak of $31 in June of that year. This surge was a strong indicator of Bitcoin's potential, and it caught the eye of many early adopters and investors. The next pivotal moment came in 2014 with the infamous Mt. Gox hack. This event was a reality check for the cryptocurrency community. The world's largest Bitcoin exchange was hit, and approximately 740,000 Bitcoins were stolen, representing about 6% of all Bitcoins in existence at the time. This had a significant impact on Bitcoin's value, and raised serious questions about the security of cryptocurrency exchanges. Fast forward to February 2011, Bitcoin achieved another milestone when it reached parity with the US dollar for the first time. This was a significant validation of Bitcoin's value proposition, and it made many sit up and take notice of this digital asset. However, the most memorable milestone in Bitcoin's history came in December 2017, when it reached an all-time high of nearly $20,000 per Bitcoin. This was the culmination of a year-long bull run that saw the value of Bitcoin increase by over 20-fold. It was a period of euphoria for Bitcoin enthusiasts, as they saw their faith in the cryptocurrency rewarded, but with highs there are also lows. The subsequent crash, where Bitcoin lost 80% of its value, served as a stark reminder of the volatility inherent in cryptocurrencies. It was a sobering experience, but also one that spurred significant improvements in market infrastructure and regulatory oversight. These milestones, both highs and lows, have shaped Bitcoin's journey and continue to influence its future. Each event, each surge and crash, has left an indelible imprint on Bitcoin. They have shaped its perception, influenced its value, and played a significant role in its acceptance. As we look to the future, these milestones serve as reminders of the journey Bitcoin has undertaken and the potential it holds. Now, fast forward to today, Bitcoin finds itself in a critical stage of its journey. The cryptocurrency, once a mere concept in a white paper, has grown into a financial giant that's shaking up the world. While the journey has not been without bumps, Bitcoin's current state is an intriguing one. So where does Bitcoin stand now? Well, its value has seen a roller coaster ride with highs that have made headlines and lows that have left many skeptical. Despite the volatility, the current value of Bitcoin remains impressive, a testament to its resilience and the faith of its believers. The market acceptance of Bitcoin, too, has seen a significant shift. No longer is it just the tech-savvy or the risk-takers dabbling in Bitcoin. Today, we see people from all walks of life, businesses of all sizes, and even governments taking an interest in this digital currency. Bitcoin has moved beyond being a fringe investment and has cemented its place in the mainstream financial world. Now, let's talk about the impact of regulatory changes on Bitcoin. Governments around the world are grappling with how to handle this new form of currency. Some have embraced it, while others have imposed restrictions. These regulatory changes have had a direct impact on Bitcoin's value, causing it to fluctuate. However, it's worth noting that despite the regulatory hurdles, Bitcoin continues to thrive. Institutional adoption has also played a key role in Bitcoin's journey. More and more financial institutions are recognizing the potential of Bitcoin and are integrating it into their operations. This institutional adoption has not only led to increased market acceptance, but has also contributed to the rise in Bitcoin's value. Technological advancements have further propelled Bitcoin's growth. Innovations in blockchain technology, the backbone of Bitcoin, have made transactions faster, more secure, and more efficient. These advancements have made Bitcoin more appealing to both individual investors and businesses. The current scenario sets the stage for Bitcoin's potentially biggest leap yet, the 100K mark. The million-dollar question, or should we say, the 100K question. Will Bitcoin reach this landmark value? This question has been floating around in the cryptoverse for quite some time now, stirring up a whirlwind of predictions, speculations, and of course, a fair share of controversies. On one side of the spectrum, we have the ardent optimists, the believers who see Bitcoin not just as a digital currency, but a revolutionary tool that could redefine the financial landscape. Many of these enthusiasts, including some renowned industry experts, firmly believe in Bitcoin's potential to hit the 100K mark. They cite potential catalysts for growth, such as increasing acceptance of Bitcoin as a payment method, its growing popularity as a hedge against inflation, and the fact that it's finite, with only 21 million Bitcoins ever to be created. But as with any prediction, there's a flip side. The skeptics argue that Bitcoin's path to 100K isn't as smooth as it might appear. Though Bitcoin has proved resilient, it's a notoriously volatile asset. It's not immune to market fluctuations, regulatory changes, and technological disruptions. Some critics even go as far as to question the sustainability of Bitcoin's energy-intensive mining process. The divergence in opinions is vast, and the factors at play are many. It's a complex interplay of economics, technology, and human psychology. But perhaps that's what makes the world of Bitcoin so fascinating, so thrilling. So, will Bitcoin reach 100K? The truth is, nobody knows for sure. It could soar to new heights, or it could plummet. It could stabilize, or it could continue its roller coaster ride. But one thing we do know is that Bitcoin, with its mysterious creator, its decentralized nature, and its potential to redefine money as we know it, will continue to make waves. Whether Bitcoin will reach 100K remains to be seen, but one thing is certain, its journey will continue to captivate us all. Bitcoin's journey is far from over, and its future holds endless possibilities. As we've explored throughout this documentary, Bitcoin's genesis was revolutionary, its milestones truly remarkable, and its current scenario is dynamic, ever-evolving. It's a thrilling ride, an exhilarating journey through the highs and lows of the cryptocurrency market. The question on everyone's mind, of course, is whether Bitcoin will reach that coveted $100,000 mark. It's a tantalizing prospect, but remember, the world of cryptocurrency is as volatile as it is unpredictable. Values can skyrocket or plunge in the blink of an eye, fortunes can be made or lost overnight. Bitcoin has demonstrated this volatility time and again. In this fast-paced, high-stakes game, knowledge is power. Staying informed, keeping up with the latest developments, understanding the complexities of the market, these are not just wise strategies. They're necessary for survival. It's important to approach this world with caution, to make informed decisions, and to be prepared for any eventuality. Remember, Bitcoin isn't just a digital currency. It's a technological marvel, a symbol of a decentralized future, a testament to the power of innovation. It's changed the world of finance forever, and it's far from done. While the future of Bitcoin is as unpredictable as its past, it continues to be an exciting frontier in the world of finance. Will it reach 100K? Only time will tell.